My name's Sean Smith. I'm the site manager at Geofabrics at Albury. Australian manufacturing means to me is opportunities for myself and a great team of regional workers here at Albury. I'm very proud to work for an Australian manufacturer that makes quality products for our customers, but also uses Australian recycled material to make that quality product. Geofabrics works with our supply partners. These are Australian recyclers to produce an Australian recycled source product to make our quality products. It's good to know that every kilogram of product that we use means that less waste is going into landfill. What I enjoy about Geofabrics is working with a great team to get good results, make a quality product that is competitive against imported products.